This is my new four-wheeler to me. It's a 1999 400ex big bore. I'm not sure what size of big bore it has on it, but it has a lowering kit on it. Has Nerf bars, cut plastics. There's a tears in them, but seat cover's good. The frame's all good. Has a FMF or Pro Circuit, my bad. T4 exhaust. I'm just gonna take off all the plastics, take off the head because it's leaking just a little bit of oil. Just want to get that fixed up. I'm gonna take off the rear swing arm because the bearings. I don't know if you, okay. I don't know if you can see this or not. I'm probably wiggling too much, but the rear bearings are out, so I'm gonna take off the swing arm and get those out and get new ones ordered. Taking off the head like I said, and I'm gonna take off the carb, give that a thorough cleaning. It's pretty dang fast. It damn near keeps up with my YFZ. I'm gonna start tearing this apart and see what I find. All right, got the axle out. Took a lot of hammering, lubrication to get it to pop out, but finally got it. You can see it's scraped up in there and just needs to have new bearings put in.